Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am here with most repeated and frequently asked CTET CDP questions. These questions are asked in CDP paper of CTET many times. So it is very important for all of you. So if you like the video, please share and subscribe. Question number 1. Development of a child is A. Quantitative only, B. Qualitative only, C. Both quantitative and qualitative, D. Only controlled by heredity. Answer is C. Both quantitative and qualitative. Development includes increase in height, weight, that is quantitative, and improvement in thinking, emotions, behavior, that is qualitative. For example, a child growing taller is quantitative growth, and becoming more confident is qualitative. Second question is learning by doing is associated with which psychologist? A. Skinner, B. Vygotsky, C. Piaget, D. John Dewey. Answer is D. John Dewey. Dewey believed children learn best through practical experience and activity. So what they do, they learn more efficiently. So instead of lecturing about plants, asking students to plant seeds and see the plants coming out from the seeds is more mm, important for child to learn instead of theories. Question number 3. According to Piaget, the conservation concept is developed in A. Sensory motor stage, B. Pre-operational stage, C. Concrete operational stage, D. Formal operational stage. Answer is C. Concrete operational stage, which is from 7 years to 11 years. Children realize quantity remains the same despite the shape and appearance of the tumbler or whatever utensil we use is changed. So water in a tall glass versus white ball is still the same amount. Now at this stage, child are able to understand. Question number 4. Scaffolding in learning is related to A. Thorndike, B. Skinner, C. Vygotsky, D. Pavlov. Answer is C. Vygotsky. Temporary support provided by teachers or peers until the learner becomes independent is called scaffolding, and it is given by Vygotsky. Teacher helps in solving a problem step by step, then lets the child to do it alone. So first teacher helps, then child learns and does himself. Question number 5. The best approach for a slow learner is A. Punishment, B. Continuous practice with support, C. Ignoring, D. Extra homework. Answer is B. Continuous practice with support. Slow learners need patience, repetition, and personal assistance to improve. Giving them more time and simple stepwise guidance is essential. Question number 6. Inclusive education primarily focuses on A. Separate schools for disabled, B. Common school system for all, C. Online learning only, D. Special teachers only. Answer is B. Common school system for all. Inclusive education ensures equal learning opportunities for every child, disabled or normal. So a child with hearing difficulty learning in regular classroom with support aids. Question number 7. Motivation in classroom is best achieved by A. Rewards and punishment only, B. Fear of exams, C. Creating interest in and meaningful learning, D. Giving more homework. Answer is C. Creating interest and meaningful learning. Intrinsic motivation is the strongest factor for long-term learning. So, connecting maths problem, example is connecting maths problem with real life shopping will help to learn easily. Question number 8. Critical period in child development refers to A. Time when development stops, B. Time when child learns nothing, C. Time when development is very rapid and sensitive. D, time when child sleeps most of the time. Answer is C, time when development is very rapid and sensitive. That is the early year, 0 to 6 years, when the development is very rapid. So 0 to 6 years are crucial for brain development and learning foundation. So language learning capacity is highest in the early childhood. Question number 9, dyslexia is associated with A, hearing disorder, B, reading difficulty, C, speaking disorder, D, writing disorder. Answer is B, reading difficulty. A specific learning disability affecting reading, words, recognition. So child confuses letters like B and D and struggles to read fluently. Question number 10. According to Kohlberg, moral development starts with A, universal ethics, B, personal conscience, C, fear of punishment and reward, D, social law and order. Answer is C, fear of punishment and reward. In early moral stage, a child behaves good to avoid punishment or earn reward. So child obeys rules only because teacher is watching. So he will be punished if he does not obey. That's all. Thank you.